Hey guys, I was just on and this really cool glitch happened to my den. I don't know if now when I go in there it will still be on, but seriously, it is like so cool. Please don't be looking. Yup. All of my underwater den items are like in my above ground den. It's so so unnatural. Oh geez, I don't have an underwater animal. That's nice. What if I become an underwater animal? It will actually show me. Penguin and a penguin. I seriously have no clue what's going on right now. This looks pretty. But is this strange to anyone else? Please comment down if you think below if you think this is strange. I don't my actions are still like really. Okay, this is confusing. That's just confusing. I literally don't get this. I do not get this at all. You know what would be cool if I went into my sunken ship den and I had all my small house items? I'm gonna try that. Oh really? You're a slow loader. Okay, so I went to my sunken ship den and everything is pretty much back to normal now. Except I wonder if my small house is back to normal. I'm checking that out. Yep. But the weird thing is it's changed the color of my bunny because my bunny was not this color. So yeah, that was really strange. I have no clue what just happened. Yeah, like my epic den.